Confirmation hearings as Senate leaders decide what's next for Supreme Court nominee Amy Coney Barrett. Today, Barrett vowed her religious views won't affect her rulings. Susan McGinnis reports on the hours-long grilling session from Washington, D.C.
Promising the Constitution will guide her decisions, Supreme Court nominee Amy Coney Barrett repeatedly asked to stake out positions today on issues from abortion to LGBTQ and gun rights. Her answers echoing the words of the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
No hints, no previews, no forecasts.
When pressed how she might rule on a case challenging the Affordable Care Act, the court will hear days after the election, Barrett insisted she has not been influenced by the president and is not hostile to Obamacare.
There's a suggestion that I have an agenda that I want to strike down people's protection for pre-existing conditions. That's just not true.
If confirmed, Barrett would give the court a 6-3 conservative majority. Both Republicans and Democrats aware that she could be a deciding vote for any challenges to abortion rights.
I can't express views on cases or pre-commit to approaching a case any particular way.
She says she's made no commitments to President Trump or anyone else on how she might decide major cases.
Absolutely not. I was never asked, and if I had been, that would have been a short conversation.
And Barrett refused to say if she would recuse herself from cases involving the Affordable Care Act or should a dispute over the results of the November 3rd election end up in the High Court. The most personal moment of the hearing came when Barrett talked about the George Floyd video and how she wept with her adopted daughter, who is black.
To understand that there would be a risk to her brother or the son she might have one day of that kind of brutality has been an ongoing conversation. It's a difficult one for us, like it is for Americans all over the country.
On the broader issue of racism in America, Barrett said it persists, but stopped short of calling it systemic.
I will do that still.
Susan McGinnis, NBC News, Washington.
Thank you.